Once you follow the link to the rebate page, the first thing you want to do is put in a zip code, a location of either the prospect or the project you're looking to fund. You want to go down and pick a charger. We're looking for a commercial charger, so we'll go with a 48 amp charger, commercial networked, and then you hit the search and it will give us any and all utility programs participating with funding within that zip code. We're going to pick Eversource here. We're going to have it as a business purchase for an EV charger. We'll have it out in front of either a commercial space, that could be a hotel, restaurant, medical center. And we are underserved or disadvantaged community. We're just going to put other. Will this charger be installed in a workplace, government, multifamily, fleets? Those are all common installs. You can certainly put other or not sure, just so you don't miss any possible programs. And then will it be available to the public, meaning is it going to be just for employees, just for tenants, or can it be a mixed use where people can come up and charge as a visitor or charge as a guest at that site? And you can, again, put not sure if you're not sure. And then here you have 3 different incentive programs available. You have a utility rebate program, a state program, and there's the federal tax credit, the 30C tax credit. There's a website link and there's a contact us for more information. And if you want to learn more about our chargers, just click here. So again, if you're looking for a rebate, regardless of state, city, or town, come to our page, put the zip code in, and you'll be off and running.